What's up? Noah, we're back in the kitchen. Today we're gonna make some garlic honey. It's a great little fermentation that'll take place in this jar. It's almost flu season, it's almost cold season. Just a spoonful of this honey and you're cured. So all you need to do is you take the garlic, give it a smash, explode garlic everywhere. Bam. I think we're gonna use probably 2 whole bulbs, possibly 3 bulbs with this. We're gonna use 2 bulbs. 2 bulbs is perfect. So what you're gonna do, you take the garlic, you take the knife, you give it a crush. Peel it, you take it. When you crush the garlic like that, what happens is there's an enzyme called allinase that converts allicin into allicin. And allicin is this compound that's found in garlic and some other, like onions, it's found in too also. It's super good for you. It has super anti-inflammatory benefits, antifungal, antibacterial. And what you want to do is just smash it and let it sit for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, so that that allicin can really form. And that's all you got to do. No.
Smells good.
Yeah, that's the allicin. You hear cameraman Joe talking about the smell? That's the allicin. So we're gonna take it and just into the jar. So next, you're gonna take raw honey. Very important that it's raw, 100% raw. Because raw honey, it has these microorganisms, these bacteria in it, and that's what causes the fermentation to happen. That's what we need. I heated this up just in a little bit of boiling water for 5 minutes. And you pour it. Do not heat it up in the microwave because you will kill those organisms, those bacteria I was talking about earlier. Just give it a little mix. You're gonna put the lid on a little loose, not completely tight, because this will ferment. And in a few days' time, you're gonna see a lot of bubbles in here, and this honey is not gonna be all slow and ooey and gooey like that. It's gonna be super liquidy. So yeah, we're gonna check on this in 5 days or so. What's up? Back in Joe's mom's kitchen. Thank you, Lynn. We have the honey we made. We made it on the 10th. It is now the, what is it?
The 19th.
It's the 19th. So 9 days later, we're gonna open it up. And you see, it's super liquidy. And this is just really good for when you get the sniffles, when you're sick in the fall time. Just take a little scoop of the honey, a little spoonful, and you'll feel way better. You don't need any Tylenol, no Dayquil, you just need this. We're gonna try it right here. Got a clove. Takes the bite out of the garlic. This one here, I made a second one. I put some ginger in this one. I made it on the 11th. Yeah, and this one's really fermenting. There's a lot of garlic in there and you get the bubbles. That's fine. You can use this for chicken, salmon. Stay tuned. That video is coming out soon. So we're gonna add our honey to this little mixture we got going on. And mix well. Mix well.